quickly bring in Sunny Agarwal, Head of Research Fundamental Desk at SBI Cap. And we also have Vinay Rajani, who's the Senior Technical and Derivative Research Analyst at HDFC Securities, joining us. Let me start with you, Sunny. Good afternoon. This is Harsha. I want to first start off by understanding this entire IPO frenzy. And do you believe that has there been a stretch in terms of valuations in the unlisted space? And would you therefore exercise caution there? And is it in select pockets or is it across the board where unlisted space is concerned?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for having me on the show. I think coming to unlisted space, I think what we have seen is that companies which are backed by a very robust management or has got a very strong brand recall, there we have seen an valuation which goes overboard on unlisted side. So people get swayed by the name and they are hopeful that at any valuation, if I buy the stock in an unlisted market, I will tend to gain at the time of listing. So I think that is something which one need to be very cautious of. Even if the brand name or the corporate group is very large, one need to do a proper study in terms of at what valuation the shares are offered to you, and then accordingly take a call whether one should invest in unlisted space. I think barring few cases, I think there are many cases where wealth has been created in unlisted space also. NSE has been a popular case where we have seen a massive wealth creation in the unlisted space for many investors. So I think one or two cases of late we have seen a massive correction in terms of a price in unlisted market compared to an price at which it has been offered in an IPO at the current juncture. Moving on. Current IPO trend. So I think as we speak, many companies are getting listed and are being offered, but it is very difficult to find a value in most of the name, as either most of the issues are fully priced and there is very less value left on table for incoming investor. So I think again, most of the obviously the few businesses among this listing, the recently listed business will turn out to be a good investment idea from a long-term perspective. But as we are seeing a tepid listing, I think most of the issues are fully priced in and there is no value left on table for listing in to come in for a new incoming investor.